SeekMake Solutions is quick to implement, easy to use, and helps generate new revenue from day one. It allows customers to upload any type of 3D files, select a service 3D printing, laser cutting, CNC machining, view material characteristics, select materials from your available options, receive an instant price estimation for each material based on the information you've set up, scale and measure their 3D model inside the quote editor, check bulk pricing, discounts, and other options in real time, select colors and finishes for each technology and material, add notes, attach files, and specify parameters like infill, resolution, and quality. Then easily check out by adding your information and getting an instant shipping cost estimation. On the other hand, as a manufacturer, you receive quote requests efficiently, communicate with your customers seamlessly, send quotes, negotiate prices, share details, and complete orders efficiently, helping you manage your business intelligently. Your customers have a dedicated and user-friendly gateway to pay online and track orders in real time for a more seamless and secure process. SeekMake powerful tools and numerous unique features built for the future, enabling anyone to launch and grow an on-demand manufacturing business. SeekMake.com, digital manufacturing for the future.